What is please telling you the giant data is not storing in database, right? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are doing that where in CB machine, right?
Yes, sir. CB,
CB,
share your
can you share
screen.
the screen?
CB?
Are you sharing it?
No, you can share your screen, CB, for that giant thing.
1 minute. We'll just on the hotspot.
No, if you are successful, definitely it has to store the data.
CB, do you want me to share my screen?
No, actually, because of the hotspot, not taking much time. 1 minute. I'm just.
Okay. Yeah.
It isn't opening, Prithvi. It's just buffering.
Sir, I did the same activities.
Okay.
Can I share
Yeah.
my screen?
Yeah. Yes, Prithvi, share the screen.
Yes.
Let's see. So basically, the team, basically, what Prithvi is complaining is, okay, even though we do giant, but the data is not storing in the target destination.
Yeah, SQL data.
CB,
right?
give me host.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm the
okay,
host.
yeah, that is a problem, and we'll see why it is an issue.
Your name is not shown over here.
Vamsi Azure Tech.
Vamsi Azure Tech. Vamsi Azure Tech.
Okay.
So his name based upon. He had two names actually.
Yes. I have given.
Vamsi, sorry. Could we go ahead and share?
Yes, sir. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, giant test SQL EMP data. Okay, now click on SQL EMP table. Could we? No, the last destination sync.
Okay. Yeah.
So E number, E name, initial, EPT name. You can optimize inspector. So okay, run it. Let's see. Well, let's go to the. I mean, say where you called it this one. Giant test this data flow. Okay, close there. Click on giant test name. Go to settings. Go to the settings downside. So you call data flow giant tester. Okay, debug. Could be. It might take some time, but let's see. Okay, you have taken integration time. Auto click OK. Just click on your mouse on the interior. It's happening, right?
Yeah, this will take some time, I guess, sir. The day took almost 20 minutes.
Okay, leave it default. Leave it, let it run background. Meanwhile, can you open that document which I shared? So the transformation list in, for example, in SSIS,
Mhm.
what are the transformations? So we have a condition split, aggregate transformation, derived column, lookup, fuzzy lookup, right? Pivot, unpivot, sort, union, all, merge, merge join. These are all the different transformation list in SSIS. Similarly, not that much big list in ADF. At least we have close to 15, right? Close to 15 transformations we have actually. So one is aggregate. So as the name suggests, so aggregate transformation will aggregate the data. Like you can submit based upon department name, or you can submit based upon branch, right? Like that, you can aggregate the data, min, max, count, right? And you will get a less rows. Let's say if you have 2000 rows, if you do aggregate, you will get a less rows. That's what aggregate. Alter row is nothing but your OLDB command in SSIS. There are execute SQL task, and in transformation we have OLDB. Let's take you want to update, insert, delete, right? So we have OLDB command in SSIS. We have alter row in our ADF. So basically, you can insert, delete, update, upsert using alter row transformation. Condition split, it is like SSIS only. Exactly, it is going to take data input, and based upon condition, it is going to split the data. Let's say if you have a less salary, greater salary, you want to put less salary data into one file, a greater salary into other file, you can do with a condition split. Derived column, same as your SSIS. So you can derive a new column, or you can modify existing column using derived column transformation. This is a famous transformation. Without this, I don't think you completed exercise. Condition split, it's a derived column is a transformation which we use heavily even in ADF also. So basically, this is a transformation which will we will modify existing column, or we can create a new column out of existing column. For example, let's take full name, first name plus middle name plus last name. So combinedly, you can create a full name. So you are deriving a new column, or you are calculating HRA. So basic salary into 40%. That is going to HRA, right? You are creating a new columns out of existing column. Exist, it is like your SQL exist actually. So whether the record is exist in the flow or not. So like a subquery. Okay, filter. So filter, let's take your 1000 rows are coming. Out of that one, you want to allow only whose salary greater than 20,000. So now Prithvi can question me, sir, condition split also you have a split based upon data, right? Based upon condition. You are filtering data here based upon whose salary greater than 20,000. What is the difference? Can anybody tell the difference between filter and condition split? CB, Ravi.
Sir, in conditional split, there is two outputs will come, sir. Based on the condition, not only two multiple conditions we can write it, but here in the filter only one set of records only we will get it based on the filter.
Yeah, 90%. You can add little masala, 10% masala. So basically, I'll add that masala. Okay, let me, you are getting 10,000 rows, 10,000 rows as an input. Now in condition split, if you put salary greater than 20,000, so it will split two parts. One salary which is going to, let's take 5,000 records of greater than 20,000. That one right flow. Left for less than 20,000, less than or equal to 20,000 record. Data will go in two parts here actually. But whereas a filter, if you put a greater than 20,000, that only 5,000 will go downside. But whereas condition split, 10,000 will go downside, but it split the data based upon the condition. Did you got it, Civic?
Yes, sir.
Prudvi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So Sitaram and Ravi already your exercise, I think you got it, right? So that is the difference between filter and condition split. Okay. Now flatten is it is not there in our SSIS. Flatten is a very good transformation in ADF. So let's take you have data like this. Let's take Vamsi is a boss of Prithvi, and under Prithvi there are 3 people, and hierarchy. If you want to flatten the data, what do you mean by flatten means? Let's take. Can you share? Can you open a notepad, Prithvi? Open a notepad. Let's take you have data like this. Let's take Vamsi. Let's take Vamsi. Now enter, press one tab. Let's take Prithvi, under Vamsi, let's take Prithvi, Prithvi CB working. Enter. No, enter. Enter, yeah, CB. Now, one more enter, 2 tabs you put actually. Let's take under Prithvi, let's take ABC, ABC, one more enter, press tab. You know the hierarchy, right? Some BCA. Let's take 2 people are working under Prithvi. Now let's take this is hierarchical in nature, right? Let's take in .NET we have tree control, the .NET people, right? Tree view, right? Now if you want flatten means how it data should be look like. Come downside. Once you flatten the data, enter 2 enters you can do. Now Vamsi, tab Prithvi, tab ABC. Right? Now again Vamsi, Prithvi, PCA. Next, Vamsi, CB. CB is not have any reports. Okay. This is what we call the flattening. So you are converting your hierarchical data into flat. Don't confuse with the pivot and pivot. The flatten means hierarchical data you are converting into flat. Okay. So any doubt CB? Let's take there is no null. Actually, let's take there is no report is under null.
Yes.
Okay. Now go to our transformation list. Yeah, that's what the flattening concept. So in ADF, they're also given that concept, which is not there in our SSIs. Okay. Now join, already we covered join is a technique in which we we join the data from 2 tables. So basically, you know, left inner join, left outer, right outer, full outer, cross, right? All joins we already saw. Now lookup, very important transformation. Without lookup transformation, there won't be any ETL project. So what is the lookup? Basically, you will have source data. With the source data, you are going to reference a lookup table, reference table or a master table. Out of matching the common column, you are going to get the required column out of that matching. Now CB can question me, it is like a join only, right, CB?
Yes.
See, in join also what you are trying to do, you are trying to join common column, and you are trying to get the matching records. If it is inner join, left outer, all the concept. Now it is also lookup is also, if you see the close of my definition, so your source is going to look up your reference table, and your matching rows you are going to get actually. A match output, no match output you will get.
Yes.
Now even join, but the one difference here is between join and lookup. Let's take if you can you go to Excel? Can you go to Excel? Now let's take there is a table T1 C1. There is a table 1 T1. and it go downside C1. Downside C1. Let's take here 1, 1, 2. No, 1 in the next one 1, 2. In the C column, put a in the C column, put a T2 C1, T2 C1, C column. No, the C column, give a gap. T2 C1, common column is C1. 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 3. Now, if you do inner join, how many rows will come?
4, sir.
4. CB, is it correct?
Yes. Yes.
4.
Yes.
Now, if you do look up, only 2 rows will come. So what it will do, it will find out out of the combination match, one record it will give. Okay, that is the difference between your lookup and your join. Okay, now if you do left outer, how many will come?
5, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Maybe 5, right?
5, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. 5, sir.
Okay, now here you will get that 1, 1 in lookup. I am talking about lookup. In lookup, 1, 1 record will come in match output. 2, the 2 record will come as a no match output.
No match.
Okay, that is the difference between join and lookup. Okay, in the join, all the matching are not based upon your join you will get, but in lookup, only one combination match you will get, not 4 records. You're getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, Ravi sir, any doubt? Sitaram?
Sir.
Okay, now go and share the screen, the transformation list. Okay, pivot. Pivot is means converting your rows into columns. Converting your rows into columns is called pivot. Pivot concept is there in SQL Server. Pivot concept is there in SSIS. I think you guys aware of it. Do you want me to repeat once it the pivot concept? Okay. Okay. Select. Select is, let's take from input, you are getting multiple columns. Let's take you have 200 columns. Out of that one, you want to change a column names, or you want to select only few columns to in the transformation to the downside. You can use a transformation called select. Okay, that's what select transformation. Next is sync. Next is sync. Sync is nothing but our destination. So only the terminology change. In general, we call it the destinations or targets in our ETL terminology. So in ADF, they're calling as sync. Sync is nothing but target. Okay. Now next is sort. Sort is basically it will sort the input data and provide us into output actually. So basically, sort, right? That's one. Source, yesterday we already saw. Source is basically we are going to extract the data from some other source. Surrogate key is not there in our SSIS, but in ADF we have a surrogate key. I hope you to know what is a surrogate key. Surrogate key is a unique identifier where it will generate a row number integer value for each row, like 1, 2, 3, like identity in SQL Server, right? So it is going to give a unique number for each record. Okay. Now next is union. Like you have union all in SSIS. So union is having capability to combine the data from 2 or more sources. Okay. And you have 2 rules you have to follow, right? The number of columns should be same, and vertically the data types also should same. Otherwise, it's not work. So that's what union transformation. Can you come down? Now on pivot, converting your columns into rows, basically opposite of your pivot. Window means basically you can apply your window functions like rank, row number, right? All those window based functions you can apply in window transformation. These are all the transformation list which is available in ADF actually. Okay. So any doubt team on this one? All is good.
Yes.
Okay. So now go to ADF. Could we? Let's see whether it ran. Okay, it is ran, right? Now go and see whether it is loaded or not. Okay, it's still running, right? It's still running. So it is yesterday effect. Even though you are seeing it is ran, but it is not. It is still running. Okay, let it definitely. I'm damn sure it is going to load the data.
Okay. Sir, somewhere here doubt, sir. After joining, we are getting 6 columns now, sir.
You
But
can uncheck that one. You can uncheck that one.
So where to uncheck this one? Because we have
Yeah.
6 columns. Sir.
Highlight that one. Highlight that one.
Yeah.
Highlight that one. Now go to the inspect. Go to the inspect. Now you determine what columns you don't want. Go to the data view. Click on refresh. So it is taking some time. Leave it. Don't waste time. Definitely it will load. Okay. But for every step it is taking time because of free subscription and it is required to do. Even it is coming there could be in that destination. You can delete, right? Go to the destination SQL DB MP table. So what are the columns which you don't want? You just delete it. What is a big deal?
Okay.
So there is a delete button. There is a delete button in the right hand side, right?
Yes, sir. Here I map.
If you don't want, just remove it. What a big deal.
Okay. Okay.
That is not a problem. Okay, now create a new data flow. Create a called union. We do union. Union. Next transformation is union. What is union? Union is an ability to combine the data from multiple data sets.
Yes.
First, you have to create a data flow. Okay, in the left hand side, there is a folder called data flow. The left hand side. Minimize the pipelines and all. The under pipeline downside. Oh, yeah. Down. Can you scroll down? There is a pipeline folder, data flow folder, right? Click on new. That button, that 3-4 icons down right hand side. You have right. Click on new.
Here, sir.
Yes. Okay. New data flow. So give the name is Union DF. So you have data like EMP1, EMP2, two files are there.
No, sir, I don't have. I create
in the Azure blob.
Blob, I don't have, sir.
The previous one we have no Prithvi, which we created.
But same columns we don't have, sir.
Yeah, same column. Let's see.
Yeah. No, sir.
Yeah.
I'll create, sir, then.
Okay. Create 2 files and upload. Same columns with 2 files. E number, e name, e cell. Number, e name, e cell. Yeah. See, the people who really work on SSIS, right? It's a cakewalk. Only the terminology, 1 or 2 classes you need to observe. After that, it is very easy. Save that one with EMP1. Save the file as EMP1. Create one more file. Use some other data so that it will be easy. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, you have two files, EMP2. You can do EMP2. Okay, close it. Now upload the two files. No, first you upload the two files into Azure Blob. No. Go to that input files folder. No.
Okay.
Cancel. Go to input files. Now it will display your upload button. Click on upload.
Yes.
Now upload two files at one shot. Browse it. No. Yeah. You can select at a time two files.
Yes.
Okay. Your two files are ready. Now come to our ADF. So first source you point to EMP1. Go to new dataset. Yeah, click on new dataset. Azure Blob storage. Okay, delimited text file. Continue. Link. Yeah, browse that file.
Yes, sir. None, sir.
You completed browsing. Yeah, first
Yes,
row
sir.
has address. Okay, good. Click. So it's slowly rendering, it seems. Click OK. No. From container or store. Leave it the default. Click OK.
Okay.
Click OK. Okay, now one more source you got downside, right? Find this to EMP2. Click on that one. Now go to the new data set. Go to the new data set. No. First row has added again. It will do mistake. Open that. There is a open. Right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Downside there is a first row as header.
Yes, sir.
You done that one. Now go to the schema. Let's see how it is. Clear it, and import schema. Again import schema from connection studio. Yeah, good. So what will happen, right? So when you don't do that one, by default it will give column 1, column 2, column 3. When you load, right, for example, e-salary, you might have
Yes.
created e-salary there and okay, that's fine. Now go to your union test.
Is here,
Right? Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sir, if you want to do the import schema, so for example, now all the rows are as strings, right? If any integer columns are there, what will
Yeah,
happen?
that's the reason I am clearing and importing, sir, properly. Otherwise, what will happen
That's what,
is
sir. If you are not
it will throw error saying that, let's take in salary, you are trying to insert data of column 1, column 2, for example.
Yeah.
So which is column 2 is a varchar,
yes,
it will throw error. That's the reason I am making that correction here.
okay.
Could we click on plus symbol? The first, yeah. So
Source button.
you take union transformation. So as usual, it required a minimum 2 input, right? So source 1 is already there. Now union with the EMP2. EMP2. Done. Now click on plus symbol. Very simple one. There is no
This one,
difficult.
sir.
Click
Yes,
on
yes.
plus symbol. Now go to the sync.
Think. No.
Sync. Okay. Now as usual, new data set. We have employee table in Azure SQL DB. EMP. EMP test. EMP test you can take players. So, but we'll unmap few columns. Okay.
Okay.
Click OK. Click OK. Okay. Now go to the mappings. Import or don't do auto mapping. Uncheck the auto mapping. Now, because you don't have the column names exactly in the left side and right side, right? You
Yes.
have to forcibly map it. E number, E name, E sal. Okay, D department name, don't map. What will happen? Null value insert.
Yes,
You're
sir.
getting the point, Ravi sir?
Yes.
Click on that.
You can delete, sir, this one.
Yeah, you can delete.
Yeah.
Okay. Now now go and validate it. Go and validate it. All is good. Click close. Now go to your pipeline. You go to your pipeline main window. Right? Drag and drop data flow. Drag and drop data flow. In the move and transform folder, you will have two activities: data flow activity. Okay. Now go to the settings. Go to the settings. Now select the data flow of union test. Union test. Okay. Debug. Click on debug. Can you refresh? This time it should go fast actually, because in the previous run already you tried to do data flow debug, right? It
Yes,
should
sir.
go a little fast. Let's see. Okay. Meanwhile, can you go to the Azure SQL DB quickly? So wasting time. Go to the home. You are already comfortable to be. I think you can apply for the job. Okay. Query editor. I think it will throw error because your today started, right? That IP might be changed, but let's see.
Yes, sir. Client thing.
Yeah, that is expected. Go to home again. Click on that. Then SQL.
This one, sir.
Click on it. No, set
Firewall.
firewall. Set
Firewall is
server. Yeah. Add client IP. Add client IP.
Yes, sir. Save.
Add client IP. Save it. Now again click on the dummy DB.
One, sir.
Okay, select start from. Yeah, it's run successfully. Select start from EMP test. So how many records? 7 records should populate here.
Yes.
Like ABC. See, look at what is CB. In the previous also it is loaded the data, the old data. You are claiming it is not loaded, right? Look at it's already
Yes.
loaded. But there is no point where it will not load. There is no point where it will not load. Definitely it will load.
Okay.
Yes,
Even the new data, union data also loaded, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
We can trust ADF. Even I will not trust Vamsi, but I will trust ADF. Definitely it will load.
Yes.
Otherwise, how come that product will success? Okay, now go ahead and do one more transformation. Condition
data.
split. Condition split will do. Condition split. Pipeline. Condition split. Vamsi, can you tell the condition split transformation? I'll take a break. I have some urgent work I got actually.
Okay.
Vamsi, you want to cover condition split?
Yeah, no,
Go ahead, go ahead. I will just go on mute and got little urgent work. Please go ahead and definitely I'll catch up to you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Hello.
Pudvi.
Hello.
Pudvi. Hello.
No.
Pudvi.
Vamsi, can you talk little
I do.
louder?
No, is it fine? Is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Fine, fine, fine now.
Okay. You will let 1 minute. I'll bet 1 minute.
New data flow.
Yes.
I am back. I am back. Okay. Now go ahead.
New data flow will take.
A new data flow you take. Give a name as condition split. So what this time we do is, Vamsi. So we are going to split the data based on, we are going to read the data from the employee test table. And if the salary gets less than 2,500, we'll keep the less than 2005 salary into one file. Greater than or equal to 2005, we'll put into some other greater file. So we are going to segregate the data into two buckets, less salary bucket and the greater salary bucket. As usual, add source, click on add source. Now go and populate new, click on new EMP data if you want, you can view. Click on new. Not Azure Blob Storage, take Azure SQL DB. This time I'll read the data from EMP test table. EMP test table. Okay, EMP test. So for a small clarity purpose, give a EMP test. Now linked service. Very good. I think you guys can apply here. EMP test. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on plus symbol. Take a transformation called condition split. One source is enough. Right?
Okay.
Click on plus symbol. Click on plus symbol.
Let's
Now condition split. Now write the condition. Write the condition downside. There is a stream name.
Stream name manually we can write, sir.
Yeah, manually give. Sal greater. Now don't give one and all. Okay. No, sal 2,500. Just use 2,000. No, how your salary? Okay, 2,000 enough. Come to the condition. What is your column? The right hand side. Right hand side.
E-salary.
No. That name can be anything. That
Yes,
name
here.
can be anything.
That is
Come
still
to
there.
the
Column.
column name is, what is your column name?
Cell.
E-salary.
ESL.
Cell. Greater than 2,000. Greater than 2,000. Don't use spaces. I think that's not the issue. Not here. In the left hand side condition.
Here, sir. Here, sir.
In the left hand, the stream name.
Stream name.
Very good. Come down side. Okay, come down side. No, that is not a problem. No. Don't give greater than that. Okay, that's fine. Give less. Give downside less. Remove that greater than symbol. Okay, downside less. Okay, that's all. Okay, now can you mouse over on the red button? What is error? एक minute.
Yes.
Can you give the control?
Yes.
Column not found. Column.
Take the column name over.
So it's a small case, right?
Okay.
So that is the problem. So remember your
Small, small.
SSIS,
Small.
your SSIS, your
Yes, sir.
is a case sensitive.
There also could be even the same.
Stream name also I use small case.
Greater
No,
than
that is not a problem. That is only the name.
Okay. Argument one of type string and argument two of type integer must.
Sir, E shall declared as a string, sir.
Which one, Sal?
Yeah,
In the table?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Because
Can
here
you-
it is comparing, right?
Yeah,
Don't
that's what
compare string with
Yeah,
integer, right?
that's what I'm testing now.
Yeah, it's a varchar, sir.
Sorry.
So now we can cast it. Let me. So I'll split based upon DEPT name. Then, okay. DEPT name is okay.
Vijay garu,
Yes.
can't we write convert function there
Yeah, we can do.
in the condition? E shall convert to int, sir.
So there will be window will come.
Add a build.
Yeah, it's not opening. Anywhere we have icons. Can you take the control? Hello, Prithvi?
Yes, sir.
Can you take the control? I will give it up. But there is a open. That expression builder has to pop up.
Okay. Can you try writing here, sir?
No, open it so that we'll show.
Yes, sir.
Now, there is a built-in function. Can you go to the functions? Can you go to the functions? ABC. Yeah, click on that one. E shall. Take the E-shall. Greater than 2000.
Save, sir.
Save and finish. Why is that error?
Yes.
1 minute.
Number table for
Because it's already numeric, right? It's already varchar. So it is issue. Okay, let me see where the convert functions are.
can search by keyword, sir.
Yeah, that's what cast is the function I'm looking. So again, your .NET functions. Okay. Diesel. Right. So I'm converting the diesel, which is of varchar, to integer. Okay, 2 int, 2 string. These are all .NET flavor.
Okay.
I'm just trying to convert it actually.
Sir, you can use small letters, sir. Is there any caps lock issue? Stream name.
No, that's not the problem. Yeah, he's having a space actually. That's the reason.
Okay.
These all right. Now this will give this the data greater than 2000 will go this path, less than will go into this path. Let's take I want to store this data into sync. New data set, Azure block storage, continue, delimiter text, continue, input service. Click on mapping. Then do auto mapping. Just do that. Nice.
I have given
So
the file
here
name.
is one option which I want to tell you guys. So this data flow, as I already told, it's a cluster based technique, like in big data Hadoop they use, right? So it is time to go and write into multiple files. Let's take your greater than 2000 salary. It is time to give, let's take 2000 records. So what it will do, 200 records into part 1, 200, another 200 into part 2. It will split the data into multiple files. So I don't want to go that approach. I want to store in single file. So take this checkbox and single partition it will try to give. So single partition, go to the settings. So here you have to give the file name. Okay. So output to single file. Once you select that option, it will go and give you this option actually. So now give this emp preatar.txt. So I'm going to store. Same way you have to do for this.
That's also.
Yes, also. Okay, now, sir, Ravi sir, this is the first time you will confuse Sitaram, right? So this is a little tricky. Now you're done, right? Can you closely observe again? I'll repeat for less salary bucket. So as usual, you have to go and do the data set. Okay. Less sal, go to the sync. Go to the sync. So you have to establish a target, right? So you need to establish a file. Closely observe this one. This is little tricky, not a difficult because we'll forget the option where exactly you can set that to single file. Click on delimited file. Continue. Now take this Azure Blob Connection Manager. First row as header you just make. Okay, now browse the file. Write the data into output file. You don't require to take the name from there. And click on OK. So after doing that one, remember the step. These are all common, right? Now only
Yes.
tricky part is this one. Okay. Now go to the mapping. Mapping is already done. Don't do auto mapping. Just see what is happening. Automatic map. Now go to the optimize. Take a single partition. Okay. Take a single partition. Then again come back to the settings. In the file name option, you will get, do you want me write pattern base per partition and all, right? Don't go all those options. Go as single. Output to single file, right? Now once you ask the output, it will going to prompt a text box. So less shall emp, less salary bucket. That's all. Okay, we are done with it. Now as usual, validate it. No errors. Now go to your pipeline. There is a pipeline. Okay. Pipeline. Now click a new pipeline. Give a name is condition split
We have
pipeline.
already
Yeah.
Already it is there, I
have
guess. Condition split.
This one pipeline.
No. The
Left to
previous one.
left
The
to
next,
do
the
it.
next.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. New one transfer. Drag and drop data flow. General, whatever the name you want to give properly, you can give. You can rename to condition split and all. Come into the settings. Now select the condition split data flow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now debug it. Very easy. I think CB and Prithvi, I think you both guys are now hands-on ADF. At least you can talk. You are countering me very good actually. So that way preparation. Ravi sir, for you or Sitarama, 2 more days, you'll also be comfortable on this tool. First 2 days a little complex because
Yeah, actually, what are the videos are there? Those videos you can share to me. I will work tomorrow and the day after tomorrow.
yeah. Yes, sir. So I already Ravi sir, already we are already sharing, right? No? Maybe yeah. We'll Sitaram, I'll just check what recording you missed actually. We'll forward it. Okay. So
Okay.
now the data flow ran successfully. Go to our
Storage.
storage. Yeah. Go to our storage.
Storage blob. Yes.
Yeah, storage block.
Go to the
Containers. Yeah.
Yes.
Apply greater. Lesser.
Employee directed data. Very employee directed.
Edit down. Yeah.
Okay, now if you look at all greater than 2000 salary file is there, and trust me, you will have the less salary also. Okay, less salary file also, you will have less than 2000 salary. Okay, so each transformation taking 20 minutes time. Okay, so what is my expectation is from you guys is, so let me share my screen. Can you unshare the screen?
Jigar,
Or Okay. Prithvi, can you share your screen? Share your
Sir.
screen and open Gmail. Yeah, Ravi sir. Yeah.
Can you repeat this one? I did not understand what you did actually.
Okay. Take a new data flow. Basically, what you
Just theoretically you can explain me, sir. That's fine.
okay. So what will happen is in the data flow, initially I told it is a cluster-based Hadoop technique actually.
Yes.
So what we will do in SSIS and all, what we do, sir, plot file means only we try to load into single file.
Yes.
It's a destination. Let's take if you take a plot file destination,
Okay.
entire data is going to write into single file.
Yes.
But in data flow, by default, it will try to split based upon partition. Actually, what is the meaning of that one? Few records it will write into partition 1 and into part 1 of the file. One
Okay.
more file it will write into another records. Few more records into another file.
Okay.
Because it is a cluster-based technique, the data flow following actually. But
Okay.
but the default behavior. But no, I want entire output to be right into single partition. Then
Okay.
you have to go to the optimize, select there is a radio button. Let me show you that one.
Single partition means you mean to say that greater than 2000, less than 2000, two different type of records are there.
No. Yeah, that is correct, sir. But again in the sync, okay, let's take in this flow you are getting 200 records, sir.
Yeah.
In this flow here,
Okay.
what it will do if you go to optimize, you will see different radio buttons.
Yeah.
Use current partition or write into single partition, set a partitioning.
Yeah.
So like if you recollect our SQL server table partitioning concept, sir. Table
Yes.
partitioning. So what we do, we are going to write 2000 records into one partition, 2001 into different partition, right?
Yeah.
So like that, by default, this ADF data flow try to write data into like a parts, like a small parts actually.
Okay. Instead of that, you are selecting the single partition.
But we are habituated in SSIS more than 10 years, sir, with writing the data into single file. Suddenly, if you see that do one thing, you don't do anything, just do default option. You are going to see in the Azure block multiple files. Few records into part 1, few records into part 2, like that.
Oh, it will create.
Yes.
How the names it will take, sir?
It will create its own name.
Oh, okay.
After this class, you just try, sir, that one.
Yeah, I got it clear, sir.
No, got right, sir. Okay.
Now the file which you open instead of that, maybe by default it will take the multiple partitions and it will create multiple files.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Now we should have a goal, right, sir? So what I'm trying to tell is January 30, we will interview on ADF. We will do Azure fundamentals, whatever I covered, or what are the videos you go through that one. And ADF, we will do mock interview. We will try to do mock interview. By that time, so what is Sitaram? Apart from my videos, you are not there in my first 2 classes. Apart from my videos, go to WAFA studies. So Prithvi, can you share the screen? So we are not testing you, Sitaram. You guys are all experienced, but we as a team, we need to have some target. Then only we can achieve that. Go to not this one. Go to your email. Yeah, WAFA studies already Sitaram knows that one. So there are 80 videos are there on ADF. Okay, 80 videos. Go and spend every day 5 videos. So what our team is doing here is Prithvi, especially CB, now slowly Ravi sir also sending that a tracker. Can you go and open that your Gmail? Prithvi, go and open your Gmail. So what these people are doing, Sitaram, daily, what are the videos they are watching, they are sending me as a tracker, so that they are confirming, they are committing to me that hey, I'm not just listening to your videos, I'm also watching and doing the practical. So do all this one. By January 30, we should be in a position comfortable to attend any interview in the world on ADF. So we also go and give some scenarios, real-time scenarios also we do, sir, actually. So by January, sorry, not January, June 30. Yeah, June 30. So please prepare. We will do mock interview. Ravi sir, I think it's okay. If you don't, okay, we don't do. That's fine. Okay, experience guys, we are giving that exception. But Prithvi and Sibi, you are juniors, so there is no option for you guys. For see, these people are all sit around Ravi, Ramsi, these are all big people, right? 10 plus people. So I don't want to go that route. But if still they want, we will do. If they don't want, it's okay. Okay. So there is a differentiation here. Prithvi, don't take bad here.
No,
No,
sir, no, sir. Thanks.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now, yeah, tomorrow we'll continue. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow, Saturday, we will continue 2 to 3 hours actually. We'll complete the transformation section. And transformation any other concepts. Okay, I'll tell the time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, team. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
ఆ రికార్డింగ్ స్టాప్ చేసి
అన్న
ఆ రికార్డింగ్ స్టాప్ చేస్తాం స్టాప్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ
రికార్డ్